Yeah, welcome back to Clean Build. So, the first thing before this video starts, I apologise for the mix match of different ways the sort of phone's been held. I completely forgot about it. It's going to be changing between portrait and horizontal, so yeah, apologies about that. See you in the video. Yeah, welcome back, and I haven't done a video in a very long time. I've just taken Skyline off the road, and I want to use this space to sort of show the progress and what's going on with the car, really. So yeah, let's get into it. So me and Josh the other day, we stripped all the bumpers off, side skirts, drilled out the over fenders, took the rear bumper off, took the seats out. What else do we do? We've got the rear lights out, but they're just in there, so we don't have got a hole. They're just in there loosely. What else we done? Taking the parcel shelf off. Just random, like the outside bits, really. The previous guy before me, obviously, done the over fenders, and to be fair, me and Josh did think they were going to be pretty bad, but they're actually all right. See, I mean, they've got some pretty disgusting welds, but I mean, in the grand scheme of things, there's not that much wrong with them, to be honest, which is a nice surprise. I mean, we're going to look at taking it back probably another inch, so it's like here, just so we got that extra clearance for future plans to come. Another thing is there is a bit of rust on my seal. I've got it taped up at the moment, but I do have the replacement sort of ready. Just need to get it welded in. So as you can see, the first bit of the dash is out. I mean, it doesn't take too long. It's only a couple of bolts and screws, to be honest. Now, the hard bit, getting the main bit of the dash out, which is a nightmare, especially with the cage in here. It's not fun. So yeah, let's get cracking with that, and I'll speak to you in a bit. Okay, and there it is. She's out. Bit quicker than I last remember doing it, but probably because every time you put it back in, you never put all the bolts back in. But yeah, not as bad as I remember, to be honest. Now, time for the cage, I guess, if we can. Yeah, we'll try the cage. Okay, so the cage is out. Yeah, just as much of a bitch as I remember. It's a good awful thing to do. As you can see, there it all is. And it's looking pretty bare now. It's just the carpets to go. I'm not sure how easy it's going to be. I mean, a lot of it's already lifted, to be honest. Worryingly, it's a little bit wet underneath. Not sure what it is. Just smells like skanky water. But yeah, I'll get to pulling it out now. There's only a few little screws that I can see, but I don't think it's going to be a hard job, so let's get cracking. So I mean, as you can see, the carpet's now gone. It's very empty in here. As you can see all the way through to the boot. It's, as you can see, our stickers in here as well. Link in the description. Go pick myself up. And but yeah, shameless plug right there. But yeah, it's looking pretty damn bare. Did very well today, I'd say. It's getting dark now, so I'm gonna do the rest tomorrow. And yeah, like I said, just, if you want to keep following the build, I'm gonna keep trying posting these videos probably 2 times a week, and just keep you guys updated, see what's going on. But lots of things are coming, lots of things are happening for this car, and I'll keep you guys up to date with the progress, and we'll go from there in a bit. Catch you later. So yeah, apologies for the shit video. For some reason, the editing software that I usually use didn't seem to like the videos and was corrupting them, so I had sound but I didn't have the actual video, so I've had to use some editing software that I've never used in my life. I've just bunged it all together just to get the video out there, and then the next video will be better. So thanks for sticking around. If you like what's coming up, be sure to hit that like button, and make sure you subscribe. Catch you later.